Hey guys, this is Pam, your favorite paralegal and notary from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. Excuse my appearance, doing some cleaning. Okay, so I want to give a quick update because I just relaunched my notary class. I'm using a different platform this time. And the reason being is because the last platform apparently was giving my class away for free. Because I'm wondering why the analytics is saying that I got hundreds of people clicking on this link and viewing this link, but nobody purchased the link. Well, that's because the video was playing for free. And I have to thank someone for being honest and letting me know that they actually saw that the video was being played for free. So shout out to you. God bless you. Just being a wonderful human. People like you restore my faith in humanity. Check the ink lay in my IO bag. And for those who don't understand Pig Latin, go to the place that's got a picture of my face. And it will take you straight to the class. Please only use the route that is listed there because if you search it any other way, that cuts into my profit. So I need you guys to use that specific route. I'm being honest. I'm being transparent. I don't have anything to hide. Okay, let me get back to clean. I appreciate you guys so much for sticking around and for your continued support. Because even though my website is down, I'm still getting business and referrals. Y'all still like my videos and interact with me. Not just this platform, but the other platforms that I have. So just wanted to say you guys are the GOAT for that, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you, and I will see you around.